Hello, welcome. We're back. We're back, and look at that. We just went down and through on the midnight level. Touched the 15-minute BC and just bounced back up there. Interesting. All right. We have some housing numbers. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. All right. Nothing special. Repriced everything down there. And I mean, I think we can go lower to completely rebalance this new day opening gap. I think it might want to rebalance it. All right. Few more minutes to go. Few more minutes to go. But I think you can go through that 15-minute gap. Especially because there is an order block on the downside. So we'll see. We shall see. Looks like it still wants to go lower. Let's see for how much. Hey, Kirkdown. You're the first. You are the first. Okay, this one is repricing a little bit higher here. Might not be ready to fall yet, but the bullish order block here starts at 2250. All right. Not far. Hey Zoltan, hello, hi there. What's up everyone? All right, so far this is the 5-minute bullish order block. Bullish order block slash demand zone, and other than that, not much. That starts at 22, right? Yeah. Seven or 3 more minutes, yeah. Hey, I don't know. I mean, I know what you don't. I remember. Yeah, back for midnight level, actually. You called it. You called it. And it was a perfect call, to be honest. An absolutely perfect call. Right down to midnight. So, gotta hand it to you. It was a really, really, really good call. So far it's just bouncing on this level, but not doing anything special. Hey Michael, welcome back. Welcome back, Michael. Let's wait for the open. I might gonna do some scalping around, you know. Scalping around. Let's see how it goes, right? What else do we have? Anyone has any idea what's gonna happen here? In about 15 seconds. All right. 10 seconds. Get ready. Be careful. 3, 2, 1, and there she goes. Market is open. Right, down to the zone. We could expect a possible bounce here, so just be careful. Can we go down to the 200 maybe? I wonder. Yeah, it seems like it does want to. Or not? Maybe. Almost went down there. Almost went down there. Maybe it wants to test the 200. And it did. Alright. It did. Okay, so that was the open. Question remains, how far? How far is this gonna go? We're inside of a 5/15 minute order block here. That has already been mitigated, so I can see this popping higher. It can absolutely happen. Alright, that level doesn't count anymore. I'm thinking to scalp this account again. Couldn't be a bad idea. Look at that. And we don't have the first fair value gap yet. We're just going sideways now. SAS high liquidity would be at 180 based on the 15-minute time frame because, yeah, there's a possible swing low down there. So nothing special. 179.25. Barcoding here on the 1 minute. Could go lower, but not jumping. Not jumping yet. Excuse me. Let's see. Let's see. Same position, not moving anywhere. The range is almost, well, not the same. What's the range here? Went down 45 points. Almost back to the middle now. Not much is moving. Asia low has been taken pretty much. I would like to see an hourly candle, at least as a down close candle, below the new day opening gap low, but it's not happening yet. Look at that, 190, 192. Hey Troy, this is called Power of 3. So let me show you. Power of 3. HTF Power of 3 from 2 degrees. It's a free indicator. It's basically the daily candle. So if you double click on it, I have the setting. So I use the New York Midnight Open as the daily open. But you can put any kind of time frame here that you prefer. So you can use monthly, hourly, whatever. I use it to see the daily candle, how it looks like. So far it's a bearish pin bar-ish. You're up 9K? Dude. 5 in the London session, 4 now. Dude, I don't know. I don't know how you're doing that. I think, you know, with that kind of profit, I think you're done for the day. That is awesome, man. Which prop firm is that? Or is it on personal account? That is awesome, dude. Yeah, that's very nice. Beautiful drop here. So now that we've taken liquidity down there, personal audits unfunded with MyFundedFutures. Nice. Congratulations. Yeah, so exactly, Kirk. I would like to see a possible move to the upside here. That would be great. All right, look at that. What's this move here? Is this going back up there or what? Seems like it does. Wow, what a move. Jeez. And we still have news on the way. How far can it go? Be careful, it might be just a liquidity sweep. You know, there was a fair value gap here on the 1 minute. I don't know. Yeah, also took liquidity on the 5 minute fair value gap. So let's just wait for it. At least now we know. So this would be the first presentation gap, right? And the other one up there is the 5 minute. Feels like a possible continuation higher. You know, up there to maybe even 70. What's the high there? High is 76.50. Yeah. Or it can just turn around here. Let's see. Okay, so far the 5 minute gap is holding this area. It's holding it nicely. Okay, mid level of that is at 37. It might want to go through now. I wonder if this first presentation gap is gonna hold it or not. It doesn't seem like it. I don't know. I don't know if it wants to get back below the 30s or not. Or wants to test the 30s. Did it retest the 30s? It did, right? All right, look at that. 179 could still be in play. Wow. And we don't have news yet. That's interesting, though. And this area is holding. Basically almost like an inversion gap. Okay. Now it got back into the middle there. Rejected from the first fair value gap in the middle for a little bit. But the question remains that is this gonna hold? Is this an inversion to push it lower? Maybe to the 180s. The 50-minute looks like a doji. This one looks a little bit ugly, to be honest. Looks a little bit ugly. Wow, trying to push it. Now reprice that small leftover of the gap. Let's see what it's gonna do now. Still there. I don't know. Stuck in the middle. It's definitely stuck in the middle here. Mostly because of everybody's gonna wait for the news, and I think it can break up to, let's see, up to 76 maybe. Yeah, why not? Uh, let's wait for it. Back into the first fair value gap again. Is this gonna try to take that 76-ish area? Or what? Almost went up there. Got pushed lower. Oh yeah, maybe. Um, maybe yes. If you make more than 10K, then you're locked for the day. So yeah, there's a cap. You know, it could be because of that. Yes. Yeah. So what's this gonna do here? So yeah, usually it's because of that. You know, if you make too much profit, like 10K, then now I think they're gonna move you to a Pro Plus account. I never been there before, but I think it's because of that. All right, going higher. How far is this gonna go? I wonder. I think we have to wait for the news. We are in the macro, but I think it's best to wait for the news, obviously. Still pushing higher. I'm not gonna enter until the news come out here, but I still think we could go higher. Try to target the 332s. Okay, and it's going. All right. Just gonna have to wait for this move. Let's look at the 5 and the 15 minute. There is a 15-minute fair value gap higher. It can go up there. 15-minute CB. Right there. Could be a target. Try to completely reprice this level. I think it can go. How far is that? 36. Yeah, absolutely close. I'm actually a little bit tempted to jump into a quick scalp here if I can. You know, I'm taking it, just a small scalp. If it goes a little bit higher. If not, then it's just a probe trade. Still looking for the next one. If it would trade above like 12, I just put it to break even. Or, I don't know, lower the risk. Yeah, I'm just, you know, looking for a continuation, but it's not going. All right, I tried. I tried. I tried, but it's not going. Anyway, we have to wait for news. How far is this gonna go? Back to that 5 minute. Is that the 5 minute? Yeah. Back to that 5 minute CB. Five-minute CB. Going higher. Technically, this is a bearish order block to the left on the 1 minute, but I mean, I still think we can go higher. This is not particularly a strong structure shift here. I can see this pushing up there again. Enter the position again to the long. On the long side. Trying to see this one pushing 326. I know it's almost news. Expecting a push higher. But it's only like, I'm only losing like about 300 on this one. On this 150k account, so it's fine. I see this calling price 333. I think so too. I think it should go higher. So here's the news. 10 a.m. opening price distribution. Oh my, I got taken out from this. That's not good. So this was the news. I think I might re-enter. All right, I re-entered. Looking for that 325-ish. Actually higher, to be honest. But we'll see. Looking for that push up there. Not looking good. I was expecting a stronger push. Yeah, yeah, could have been. Could have been the manipulation. I think it's not over yet. Let's see what it does. Are we gonna see some higher prices here? I mean, we should, right? Come on, let's go. Yeah. The problem is I'm still digging myself out of this hole. And I just so much don't like it. It would be good to add to this position for the push. Alright, adding to it. Almost. Adding to the push. $400, $430. That would be great, but I'm afraid that it's just it doesn't have the strength right now. It was looking good, but now I don't like it. Yeah, it's done. Maybe the next push. I don't know. Yeah, it's just not gonna do it. I think it wants to take out the news low at 60. I might try to scalp it. Yeah. Yeah. I think they have a 1-day pass. Yes. Yes, yes. Alright, just take this low out and I'm good. What? It just reversed on me? Are you kidding me? I messed up my sizing here. Jesus. Alright. Full porting this account to hell. Yeah. Let's go. So yeah, they have a 1-day pass. All right, account blown. It is what it is. I messed up. I messed up big time. Take profit trader test account. Take profit trader test account blown up just now. I was having big hopes, but we're stuck here. Anyway. And now it goes up, of course. And now it goes up. Of course it does. Yeah, maybe we get a flush here. I don't know. Not sure. Yeah, it goes now. Of course it does. Nice. Of course it does go up there now. So what's that level? 43? Or up in the 40s? I'm just curious if it still wants to go for that liquidity level on that fair value gap up there. Alright, at least I made some profit on the other Take Profit Trader account, but I'm still not happy. Still not satisfied. Yeah, exactly. That's the only thing you can do. I mean, look at this move here. Yeah, Jay. Yeah, I'm watching this too. I think there's one more area up there, which would be the 15-minute CB. Up at 43. Should be, yeah, there you go. Should be breaking the 40s, and now it did. The high up there is 43.50. So it basically didn't go there. Now it goes. There you go. Now it hit that. All right. So what's now? What's next? Mid-level has been hit. And we have, yeah, 58, a little bit higher, which can still be repriced. Yeah, it should be. Yeah. Could be breaking the 400. I agree. Especially because we still have so much gaps up there and liquidity to be taken. So, yeah, first fair value gap as well. Let me check it from yesterday. Yeah, here. Exactly. Exactly. Here it is. Right here. 64. Bam. Congratulations. Yeah, we just got up there. Exact touch on the first fair value gap. $4.50 daily C below. I mean, yeah, I can imagine that. Possible continuation, maybe. Possible continuation. Let's see. Oops. Oops, oops, oops. 377. Huh. All right. So far, it's it seems like it keeps pushing. Yeah, yeah, there is. High resistance liquidity run for sure. No, I'm not jumping in here. Not yet. Okay, coming back down. Back to the 15-minute CB. Okay. Wow, look at this. What is this drop? Down 50 points here. Could this be a possible shift? Could this be a shift? That's the question. That's the big question. All right. Going lower. Wow, what is this move? What's down there? We still have the news candle. No, not the news. Basically, that, yeah, we have it. News low down there. Seems like a breaker. I mean, it is. Question is, should we take a move on this or not? I might take a move on this. It's technically a bearish breaker. I'm going to put a limit sell at 42. Sell limit at 342. Yeah, could be. Could be. That's why I'm a little bit interested in this. If it would try to go and take it, then I'm down for it. Okay, didn't take my limit order there. Let's wait and see. What is happening here? What is this drop? Oh wow. Oh wow. Now it feels like it really wants to go for that news candle low, or at least to the mid level of this gap. I think I have to cancel my order up there. Alright, let's see. We might have another one. Another one. Up there. Oh wow. Wow. What a drop. Oh man. How close we are. I'm gonna try to scalp it down there to the 60s. I mean, it almost went down there, but eventually it didn't. Uh-oh. Okay, now it repriced. Fine. I'd like to see the drop. Let's go for the drop now. Yeah, most likely. Most likely. Well, this account is almost down to the dumpster again. Oh, well, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. How far is this going? Complete reprise or what's the thing here? To the high? Yeah. Most likely. That's unfortunate, you know. That is unfortunate. No, no, I'm not taking a trade on the funded accounts, that's for sure. All right, Kirktown. I'm not sure if I'm a good stepdad though, but anyway. I don't know what the heck is going on here. Wow, seems like this is really going higher, right? I wonder if it wants to break the high. This account is blown again, by the way. So I don't know anymore. I'm just watching this. crazy. Yeah, I will. I will smile. Yeah. Try my best. I try my best. I blown up 2 take profit trader accounts, so I'm done. I mean, these are test accounts, but obviously that's it. I'm just on full tilt, so I'm not going to trade funded accounts. Overall, I'm up on the funded accounts though. So this MyFundedFutures funded account is up $100. The Bulenox account is up 87. This Apex account is up 786. The other one is up $97. So not that bad, but could be better. You know, could have done a better job, I guess. I don't know what's happening here, by the way, on this price action. I feel like it still might want to go down to the news candle. You know, I'm not sure I want to. I mean, yes, I will, obviously. I mean, I will. I definitely will. Can't figure out what the heck is going on with this action here. Feels like it wants to take the elevator down, to be honest. Not sure. Not sure. So what's it gonna be? Is it gonna drop or? Is it gonna try to push it once again? What is happening? Does anyone know? The mid-level of that 15-minute CB is holding as a nice resistance area up there. It feels like it wants the elevator move again. Need to more. Well, I might look into that too. 362, you say? Yeah. Hmm. I don't know what's going on here. I thought that it wants to move one push higher, but clearly it's not doing it yet. We have the macro in a few minutes, so anything can happen. Wonder if it wants to move into the 50s or not. Three more minutes until the macro. Still not moving to the 50s. Yo, Dilzik, what's up? Bar Trader, what up? Not many transactions above the 40s. That could be causing an issue then. Yeah, yeah. That could be a thing. I can't seem to find the grip on this one. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna try to wait until we get out from this congestion area. I don't want to waste more accounts unnecessarily. I mean, test accounts. So, all right. Still trying to break higher. Quite a break. Quite a break. Hey, Jose. Yeah, sure. I got a couple of payouts from them. So, we do like Bulenox. Bulenox is good. Hey, green. Well, I blown 2 take profit trader test accounts, so not good. But I'm green on the funded accounts, so basically that's good. Green on the fundeds, but I blown 2 test accounts and like so because of greed. All right. I feel this one wants to go above the 372. It's not finished yet. You know, when it starts to move, it should be breaking the 370, but this level is pretty much holding price back. And no, don't worry about it. Green is just, you know, I mean, quote unquote, it's just test account, but hey, green underfunded, so I'm happy about that. That's actually good. I am happy about the funded accounts. I mean, yeah. Come on, is this gonna break higher or what? What are we waiting for? All right, we have the new hour in about 40 seconds. It seemingly wants to go. To break that 72. Look at that. Should break it. Is it gonna go through the high or what's the deal? All right, so we broke the high, which is awesome. 10 points. I don't know because I don't use them right now. So, and I use Quantower Rhythmic most likely, so I have no info about that. I'm sorry. No problem. No problem. 10 points. Okay. What now? What is gonna happen now? Is this gonna try to go maybe lower, or we're just going for that 400? Okay. What is going on? Well, not exactly real, folks. I tried, but not exactly. I mean, I'm green on the funded, but I lost 2 test accounts or evaluation accounts with Take Profit Trader. But I got full tilt. I got full tilt. All right, seems like we're going for the 400 then. Look at that. 400 incoming. Easy. Easy 400. Hey, Flushy, sure. Let me show you. Here it is. So here's the Bulenox funded account. I'm up $177 today. I have another Bulenox account too, but it has not been activated yet. So this is the Bulenox 177. The MyFundedFutures funded account is up $106, so I'm up $1,166 on this funded account at MyFundedFutures. The Apex accounts, this one had a good run today. I'm down to 2 Apex accounts. It's up $786. So this is above 2,091 now. This one made $97. I haven't copy traded these, so these are not copy traded. And this one is at 1,867. And so far that's it. I have the Take Profit Trader Pro account, but this has been closed. I've taken the profits. And the other ones are Take Profit Trader evaluations or test account, and so far that's it. And I still have to activate the funded account with Bulenox. So overall green on the fundeds, but you know, I lost 2 test accounts today, 2 evaluation accounts. I was a little bit greedy, but anyway. Poor trader is out. Yeah. Thank you, Flushy. How are you doing today, Flushy? I hope some profits there as well. Maybe 15 to 30 minutes. Yeah, maybe. Or as we approaching to the lunch hour. Maybe we will see something. But not much so far. So I was up like 8 or 9 funded accounts in the last 3 or 4 weeks, and I'm lost. I lost 3. I think it was 3. Yes, 3 or 4. I don't know. Yeah, because one is closed. Sorry, so I closed one intentionally. So I blown 3 funded accounts. I mean, I'm still struggling a little bit here. Still struggling. It's good to hear. Thank you, Flushy. Thank you. I'm really hoping that I can help with chart analysis and, you know, just sharing what I see. I have fairly good confidence that I see some good levels on the charts, and I can call out some valuable levels. But it's different than executing and managing the trade, and that's a different thing. But so far, I don't want to jump into a long, that's for sure. I'm scared up here to go long. Hey, MB, Bulenox, an offer? Well, it's 91% off right now on the option 1 account. So you can get a 50K account for like $15.75 or something. So that's the best offer. That's the cheapest account right now, MB. Option 2 is only on 45% sale. The best code, the cheat code is Tom Sabo for it. By the way. Top of the 60-minute BC. Yeah, no problem, MB. You're welcome. Daily BC low? Maybe. I mean, that would be, yeah, obviously the next target. The 450 would be a good one. I would target that. The problem is I'm just scared to jump in. I'm green on the funded. I lost to Take Profit Trader evaluation accounts today. I don't know if I should continue. I don't want to do something stupid that I would regret. Stay and tape read. Yeah, I guess I could do that. Do some tape reading. Let's do some tape reading. But there's nothing to read right now. The only thing that we see here is that this one might want to break the 400. Bearish engulfing candle, by the way, on the micro yesterday in New York AM session. So I would say that's a good target. There has to be orders. We were talking about this, I think. There has to be orders up there. So yeah, it just keeps on going. So we hit the 400. It's a risky one if we're gonna go through with this or not. Maybe it's a little bit aggressive. I'm a little bit tempted to jump in to a trade, at least on an eval, but not sure. Reset and do it, maybe. No. Not gonna do it. Not now. Maybe tomorrow. Not now. I'm not gonna do it now. But I must say, Kirk, as much as I know that you would love me to do some tape reading, I think I'm just gonna call it here, because I think I'm a little bit tired, to be honest, and I still have that headache. I don't know what's up, but I'll be back for tomorrow London session and New York as well, so it's gonna be a full week. But yeah, Kirk, please don't be angry at me. Yeah. Yeah, I really need to take a rest because I'm tired, but I'll be back tomorrow for the London session. And thank you so much, everybody, for being here and watching. And again, if you would like to support the stream, please don't forget to use my cheat code. Use the code TomSable for the prop firms, for resets, for best discounts, whatever, you know. Thank you so much, everybody. God bless you all. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit tired. I'll be back tomorrow for London session. All right? All right. When you reset. Yeah, all right. God bless you all. See you tomorrow. Cheers.